Yo, what's up? Gonna be making a new type of YouTube video. I'm just gonna pick a random month and backtest it, trading the way I trade, and we'll see what happens. These type of videos always helped me when I was trying to become profitable. I'd always watch these videos and they would help me a lot. So hopefully they can help you. And let's just get right into it. I'm just gonna pick a random month and trade it. Um, let's freaking do 2024 January. I'll do the whole month of January. All right, today create session. Oh my gosh, what is this chart? Okay, I got it set up. I got ES on the right, NQ on the left. Let's just get right into it. Go to next day open. Mark out open. Skip right to it. Okay. So always start off on the higher time frame. I mean, we're obviously trending lower. So mark out strong draws. We got this right here, this right here. Before I continue, I do need to also set up the session indicator. Hold up though. Okay, I have the session indicator set up now, so we're all good to go. But yeah, we got, obviously, I mean, this is the most obvious bearish day you could get. Clear condition to send us lower, clear draw lower. I'm looking for shorts 100%. Let's see what happens. Right off open. All right. Entering this short, I mean, we didn't tap this hourly, but this first draw is kind of close. Probably just going to target the second one. But entering this short because, I mean, higher time frame, obviously trending lower. We have a strong draw lower. Get a nice retrace, flip back down with obvious displacement, invalidating this retrace. We're obviously gonna deliver most likely to this first draw. I'm gonna just target the second one because the first one's gonna be negative RR. And yeah, first trade already starting off. Place order, 1% risk. All right, let's see. I'll go break. Wait, is there SMT? No. All right. Yep. Let's see what happens. First trade. What the heck? All right, break even. Took the first draw. Hopefully flush lower. Bang. All right. That was quick and easy. First trade successful. We also have this draw lower. Wait, what is price going to do? Because this is some good price action. Don't want to miss out on it. Okay. Okay. If we flip back down, oh, I mean, another peak continuation short. All right, I'm looking for another short because if you look at the, I mean, we're just trending lower. We have another strong draw lower. Hourly candle, hourly closes below, not the hourly, but this 15 is just trending lower. We have a strong draw lower. We retrace, flip back down with speed and volume. I mean, bare minimum, we'll go to this internal low. Let me check. Yes, yeah, bare minimum. We're going to go to this internal low, and then the target is all the way down there. So I'll just hold there and go break even at the internal low. Place order 1%. Why is it not placing? Hello. There you go. All right, break even at the internal low. Okay. All right, break even, risk free. What? What? I think I entered twice. Risk free trade at this point. All right, I'm trailing my stop loss because we put in a retrace and then we invalidated this retrace with more displacement lower. This is the new protected high, so I'm gonna trail my stop loss a bit. This would secure me a winning day in the live market, so I'm definitely trailing. Another banger. Wow. All right, 2 trades on the day. I'm just gonna go to next day open. Okay. Mark out 8:30. Go right before. Okay. Higher time frame. Still trending lower. Got the check ES. Who's leading? NQ's leading. So I'm gonna be looking at NQ. Got this draw lower. That's really all I'm seeing. Is there anything on the daily? Nope. We have this. Looks like a new week opening gap. All right, we got the draws lower. What do we have to the upside? We got Asia high right there. Today's Wednesday, previous day high. No, it's not there. All right. Got draws lower, leaning bearish because we're obviously trending lower high time frame. So let me turn off the session. We do have, I'm not just going to be set on one bias. I'm open to longing if we flip higher, but for now I'm just looking for shorts. Kind of the only way I'll see we get an entry to here is if we like manipulate higher and then flip back down. It's like the only way I think we could get an entry. And yeah, I always stay on the 5 minute. I just don't like the 1 minute. All right, we kind of just took this first draw. So now I want to see if we flip off it or continue going lower to this new week opening gap. All right, no trade day. What time is it? Yeah, no trade day. I'd already be off like 2 hours ago. Next day. Go to next day. Mark out 8:30. All right, hop on the higher time frame. I'm guessing we're still leading on NQ. Still have that new week opening gap on the daily. We got Asia high up here. Obviously leaning. Yo, let me place it, bro. I'm obviously leaning bearish though because I mean just look at this higher time frame. It's like so simple. Clearly moving down. Strong draw lower. Gonna look for some sort of continuation. I mean we're already confirmed there. I don't see anything really stopping us from going there. So all I want to really see now is just a retrace and then flip back down. Get in a retrace. Nah, this 1 minute's cooked and 5 minutes just not enough displacement. I would have entered this. Yep, that's why. Would have got wrecked. I need to see obvious displacement because we're getting a retrace now. Wait. Okay, yeah. I need to see obvious displacement. Or we just go up higher, I guess, on the day. But I don't really even want to look for shorts. So let me hop on the 15. Okay, I'm starting to trend. It's already the end of the day. I guess we're going to the next day. Next day open. I mean, yeah, like the way I trade, I don't take much trades, but whenever I do trade, it's usually hits. Just take high quality setups. Looks like we tapped the new week opening gap. All right. Don't really think we're gonna bounce off here because there's no draws really to target. So I'm gonna look for any draws to the upside, and we swept Asia already. We have London high. Friday, Thursday. We got previous day high all the way up here. All right. I mean, we're already confirmed to go. There's nothing stopping us from going to London. I think we're probably going to take it off open. Yeah. All right, let's see if we want to continue going higher. And also, is this low? Okay. See if we want to continue going higher on the day. Oh, yep. We are going up to this freaking draw. Who's leading? And it's the same. Okay, got clear displacement towards previous day high. I expect this to be the candle that delivers us to that draw, so I'll enter off that. Obviously not going to enter 0.65 RR, so I'll set a limit for a 1-to-1 based off this confirmation candle. Okay, I'm gonna go on the 1 minute just because I do want to go break even at this internal high. Bro. Okay, we got tagged in. We got a good 15-minute close too. Yeah, I'll go break even if and when we take this internal high. Okay, trailing my stop loss now for sure. break even. Hopefully we flush towards the draw. Okay, at this point I would trail up for like a winning day. I mean, I'd be in way heavier, so I'll just put it at this internal low. Wow, rough break even. Would have gotten a winning day out of it at least. Let's see if we get a re-entry though, because we are still, yeah, this hourly close, we should deliver to it, but I want to see a re-entry. No, we're just ripping lower. No other trades would have gotten a winning day out of today. Go to next day, open. Always start off the higher time frame, mark out strong draws. Still in this new week opening gap. Still leaning bullish out of here just because we don't really have anything to target lower. I mean, we do have previous week low down here. Let me check the sessions. Got Asia low down here. Already swept London high. Got previous day high up here. All right, let's see. I don't really have like a specific draw, so I'm just gonna kind of sit on the 5 minute and wait for it to confirm the direction and enter. Okay, like see, I wasn't really sure if we're gonna go higher or lower, but now this 5 minute opening candle confirms that we're gonna go higher, and there's nothing really stopping us from delivering to previous day high. Do we have SMT? Nope. So I'm gonna enter based off this 5 minute displacement. Stop loss here. I'll do body low. Set a limit for a 1-to-1 because I'm not gonna enter negative RR. What? Why is it not? Hello. Add a position to the chart. That's what I'm doing. There you go. It's gonna go on the 1 minute just because I want to be able to manage this trade if I have to. Might be too quick. Okay, we got tagged in. Already took the internal high, but still have this 5 minute untapped gap that we could retrace into. All right, for now I'm going break even for sure now. I wouldn't really want to see this retrace. Bang. Quick little 1-to-1. Yeah, I wasn't going to go break even because we had this untapped 5 minute gap, but after getting this displacement on the 1 minute, really no reason we retrace when we're this close to the draw. So just went break even and TV was hit. Off for the day, most likely. Way we're still displacing higher. What do we have as targets? We just swept this. We have this. Just targeting. I'm just marking out random swing highs we could potentially target. Oh, really close. Yeah, no trades. Took most draws on the day. Already took a winning day. I'd be off for 100% on the day. So next day open. Okay, start off on the higher time frame. Rejected out of this 4-hour. In this 4-hour right now. I mean, it's kind of just looking like we're ping-ponging right now. Oh, this is also daily bearish, but we're in this bullish. So either we run past this bullish gap we're in right now and to target this next untapped 4-hour, or do we have any session highs here? I'm guessing previous day high, yep. London high, Asia high. That's not really a good draw. All right. Either we continue going lower to this untapped 4-hour, or we flip higher on the day. Let's see. Don't know what's going to happen for sure, so I wait for open to confirm. Ooh, that looks juicy. We're in this bullish 4-hour gap. We have these strong draws higher being, what was that? Previous day high in London? Yeah. I mean, this type of 5 minute displacement, bro, is just too long not to. Preferably, I'd want to wait for another candle here and then wait for a retrace and enter. But this displacement looks good. And I could get decent RR out of this. And go break even at like this internal high. Pretty quick break even. But yeah, all right. I'm gonna try this. Kind of a higher RR trade than what I usually take, but I mean, these type of V-shaped trades are just textbook, bro. Oh, no way. Wait, I'm gonna try a little bit now. Save some risk. No way this trade actually gets saved. All right, break even now. No way. That was a crazy 3-point stop loss tickle. All right, yeah, I'd be at break even now. I'd definitely be shitting bricks in lifetime too. Yeah, I'd be at break even. If this trade wins, it's a holy break even edge. First a stop loss tickle and not a break even edge. If this plays out, craziest trade. No way. All right, I'd trail for a winning day at this point. Secure something. Actually, wow. Oh my gosh. Holy freaking tickling trade, bro. Stop loss tickle and then break even tickle. Yeah. A good thing I took that entry too, because if I waited for more confirmation, we didn't really get like what I wanted to see. Like I wanted to see this follow through. That's what I was expecting to happen, but I guess we just tickled my stop loss and ran a TP, so shit. I'll take that. Wow. All right. Next day open. Yeah, I'd have a massive freaking turd in my pants if that was real time. Go right before open. Okay, 4 hour. Still in this daily. Check the sessions. We got Asia high up here. Today is Wednesday. We got previous day low right there. It's not really much. It's like the only draw I like lower. I mean, this is kind of protected because it's a hourly wick inside of a gap, so I don't really like draws like that. Still in this daily gap. I mean, I don't really see anything to long to, unless it's like this next untapped daily or this internal Asia high. I don't know which way we're gonna go, so I'm gonna sit on the 5-minute and wait for price to tell me. It's going up, but it's not with clear displacement. We're wicking. Wait, this is okay, a clean short. Hold up. This is a very clean short, but the only issue is, wait, we have an untapped 4 hour right here. Could low-key target that. Did I miss that? Oh wait. Yeah, it's untapped daily. This untapped 4 hour. We're in this bear state. Yeah, this is actually a clean short. Bare minimum, we go to this internal low. So with this type of displacement, I'll set a limit for 1-to-1. I'm gonna let it retrace a bit just because I want to rock my stop loss up at this wick high. Okay. I'm going to 1 minute just so I can manage this just in case. Okay, we got tagged in. Okay, break even now for sure. Because we took this internal low. Wouldn't want to see price reject off this. Okay, break even trade. Let's see if it's a valid break even or valid break even too. All right, can't complain. I'd be off for the day. Cannot complain about a valid break even trade. Next day open. As always, start on the higher time frame, mark out your strong draws. What do we have? Daily. Tap this daily and rejecting it to the downside. Wait, is this all-time high? Oh, it is. All right. We don't really have much lower. Kind of already manipulated lower pre-market. We got previous day low down here. We swept London high right here, making this a protected high. And the only draw higher is like all the way up here. All right. Ooh, this is some type of CPI, PPI, CPI or NFP wick, probably CPI or NFP, I don't know, but all right, let's just see what happens. But I wouldn't even want to target this. I don't really, me personally, I don't really love targeting data wicks. I don't know, I just don't like it. And the fact that it swept London high and rejected it makes it protected. So what I'd rather see is just something like this. We get confirmation past this area because I don't like this as a target, confirming past it, and then and then at this point we would have nothing stopping us from going to the next draw higher. So then I'd wait for a retrace and a flip back up to target that. So that's why I won't be targeting this data wick, even though it is a good draw. I'm okay if we run to it. Or we could just continue going lower down to previous day low. So let's see what happens. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, our only draw lower is previous day low. How much points away is that right now? 150? Nah, I wouldn't. This looks like a kind of clean short, but I wouldn't want to short yet. This is looking interesting. Okay. Yeah, and I was right not to try to target these highs because we edged them and we're not delivering to them, which makes sense. Just that's what I've noticed is whenever we have a high that swept out another high that's like prominent, being this, what was this? Asia high, and we reject it, this high to target is usually bad, and that exactly proves it. But we are most likely, I'm gonna let one more candle play out. Oh crap. Alright. Probably not gonna get an entry, but let's see. At this point, we're obviously gonna deliver the previous day low. Is there anything I can target below that? Untap 4 hour. Okay. We got, so what I do in this situation, if I were to enter off this displacement and target that and rock the proper stop loss, which is this is the proper stop loss. It's the high inside of this 5-minute gap, which is protected. But we have this gap right here. So all I really want to do is cover that just in case we retrace. I'm not going to enter 0.61R, obviously. So what I do is I just set a limit for 1-to-1 and hope I get tagged in. So let's see. And do we have SMT at the draw? Ooh. ES is leading. Didn't take it yet. All right, this will be a fast break even. I'll go break even once ES takes the draw. If I even get tagged in. Wait, remove. Nope, not entering. ES took the draw. We have SMT at the draw. I don't want to enter. Get tagged in. This is a good entry, continuation, but as I was saying earlier, don't really want to target a draw that has a SMT at it. Like I only target draws with SMTs at it if the index that took it is trading past it, but the fact that ES rejected it, I'm not going to target it. And it played out, and that's fine. Just not something I have conviction in, so not going to stress about it. Not the worst trade, but just not something I'd take, so no reason to stress about it. Next day open. Also, what day is it, man? Only the 12th? Holy crap. How long has this video been running? I don't even know how to check. Oh, 25 minutes? All right. Gotta lock in. Gotta make this quicker. Skip through right before open. Hop in the 4 hour. Mark out my strong draws. We got previous day high. Already swept Asia. Got previous day low. This is, wait, ES is like right at all-time highs. Hold up. We're running all-time highs today. Good chance we're running all-time highs today. And I honestly think we're gonna do it. We're just already based off this hourly candle closure on ES. This 15-minute candle close. Like there's nothing really stopping us from running to these draws and all-time highs. Let's see if I could get tagged in. Kind of a different type of entry, but I'm pretty confident we're gonna run all-time highs because all-time highs is a strong draw. And just this 15-minute sequence, like what is stopping us from delivering bare minimum to these draws here? So if I could get if open wants to manipulate lower and tag me in, I'll set a limit and enter off that. So let's see. Wait, I'm going to 1 minute just in case it's volatile. Okay, we took this first drop. It's not really significant. It's just a random internal high. Yeah, we're not going to get filled, are we? Oh, actually we did get filled. Wait, do we have any SMTs? No. All right, yeah. I do think we're going to run all-time highs on the day based off this 15-minute candle closure. So I just set a limit for 1-to-1. And yeah, let's see what happens. I'm not going to lie. I don't like how deep we retraced, and I don't like this 5-minute bearish gap, but I'm going to just keep holding. Oh, actually, the fact, okay, I think I'm going to close this trade at break even because this hourly candle closure wicked this high right here. I don't know if, wait, is this a session high or something? Yeah, it's Asia high. The fact that we wicked Asia high and we didn't confirm past it on the hourly is a bad sign. On top of the fact that we have this now 5-minute bearish gap, I'm going to close this at break even. What? Yeah, I'm closing this at break even. Let's see if this was the right move. Oh my gosh, W fade. Holy crap. I'm locked in right now. Nah. Yeah, I always manage my trades like that. Whenever I take those trades where I set a limit based off like the higher time frame, and then we end up getting something that like this, like the hourly candle closure, that just makes me lose conviction in the trade. Like this hourly candle closure was strong with displacement past this Asia high, I would be confident to hold it. But the fact that we wicked this Asia low, or Asia high, I mean, just makes the trade probability so much lower because we're not confirmed past this Asia high at this point. So I closed it at break even because of that, and good thing I did. Would have been a losing trade, just faded it. W. All right. 30-minute. Go to next day. 4 hour. Kind of ranging. No bueno. No bueno. Mark out my strong draws. We got Asia high, previous day high, previous day low. That's about it. Obviously, I'm not confident in any direction right now. This is treacherous range. I don't like this PA. I'm just going to sit on the 5-minute until we get clear displacement confirming good direction. I mean, and the draws are like, it's only 66 points. Holy crap. Dude, now with this PA, that'd be like a 400-point move. We have like no volume too. Yeah, no, wait, what the heck? And oh, and it's a half day. Yeah, I wouldn't be even trading today. Some freaking half day. Next day open. All right, time to speed run this, bro. 4 hour. Okay, came down lower in this bearish 4 hour. Let me mark out draws. We got London low. Today is Tuesday, Monday. Previous day high. Okay. Condition on the day, 4 hour gap. Either we respect it and go lower down to the draw lower, or we run past and go up to the draw higher. This actually looks like a decent draw too. Nice hourly swing high. Let's see what happens. I'm looking for either some type of longs like this, confirming past the 4 hour gap, or I'm looking for continuation shorts out of this 4 hour gap down to the draw lower. So let's see what happens. Oh wait, we're not even. Let me go near open. Ta! My bad, I had to go do something real quick. My parents were calling me, but back to it. All right. As I was saying, we're in this range. Confirmed past this 4 hour, we have the draws higher. This is a 15-minute closure. I think it is. Wait, let me play a 1 minute candle. Oh, no entry there. Okay. With this 5-minute candle closure, we should deliver up to this next draw. Let's see if we get a retrace and a flip. I'm not going to limit it. I only like to do, like, if you're thinking why I'm not setting a limit for a one-to-one like this, it's because I only do that if we have like one swift move, because I'm like confident that move is going to deliver us. This, I am like, we are trending higher, but it's not one swift move, it's just a multiple candles, so I'd rather see a retrace and a flip. So let me sit on the 1 minute, see if we get that. It's not obvious enough. Like, I don't want it to be a bit more like that, like a V shape up here. Played out, whatever. No trade days, no trade day. Next day open. Mark out 8:30. Skip right before it. Okay, what do we have? We just swept out this strong draw. We got this strong draw down here. I'm just marking out obvious swing lows. Previous day high all the way up there. No 8. Oh my gosh, we have like nothing to target higher, and this we're in this 4-hour bearish gap. Okay. Probably just only going to be looking for shorts down to here because we don't really have much to target higher, and this we are delivering out this 4-hour bearish gap. So all right, well, obviously gonna, yeah. Do we have any draws lower? Yep. Let's see if we want to continue going lower. Actually, is this the 15-minute candle? It is. Honestly, wait, who's leading? And ES already took the draw, but we're trading past it, not rejecting it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna enter this. I like this 15-minute confirmation candle, confirming the draw lower. There's nothing really stopping us from going there. We have this hourly gap, but it's not that significant. Delivering out this 4-hour clear 15-minute displacement lower. Not going to enter negative RR. Set a limit for 1-to-1. Stop loss at this protected high. Hopefully we continue flushing lower with this displacement. Place order. Yeah, we did take it on ES, but we're trading past it, so I'm open to targeting it. Wait, let me check the daily real quick too. What is this daily? It's an untapped daily gap too, so yeah, I'll take this. I'm going to 1 minute just to manage the trade, but it's based off that 15-minute candle closure. Oh man, we didn't get tagged in. No way. No. I should have put it at the body. Frick. Alright, wait. I'm gonna try to let's see if we could get tagged in, because we're still confirmed to that draw. Oh, okay, we got tagged in. The same trade idea. Stop loss, just covering this 15-minute gap. I expect this to be the condition to deliver us to that draw lower. So let's see what happens. Yeah, I'll sit on the 5-minute for this trade. Oh man. All right. Wait, let me make sure if I had the proper stop loss up there. Oh my, don't tell me I sold myself so hard, dude. Oh, I kind of took a full, no, bro. That is so unfortunate. Would have gotten stopped out anyway. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I don't mind that. I mean, this 15-minute displacement lower with this obvious 15-minute gap, I would have expected us to hold and send price lower. I'll take that L any day of the week. It is what it is. It's my first L too, and we're already 17 days into January. That's pretty good. Next day open. Frick, I skipped one too much. Got all these draws higher. We got in this hourly. Yep. Any draws lower? We have this. That's not significant though. All right. Well, this day honestly already looks like a no trade day. I'm just sitting on the 5-minute. Yeah. Not really moving with much. Good PA. Mark up the next draw higher. Kind of trending towards it, but yeah, no trade day. There wasn't really any draws that I liked. We were in a weird spot. Ooh, we got all-time high PA. At all-time highs NQ, long until proven wrong. Let me just mark out draws lower though. Untap 4. It's not that obvious though. Don't really have anything I like lower except for this maybe London low. But long until proven wrong. Let's see. Only gonna look to short if we get like some def candle. But I'm long. Okay, we got a def candle. We're still kind of in this pre-market, kind of still in this range that we made off open. Yeah, nah, we're still ranging. That clear displacement candle, but in fact, we're still in this range. We didn't really manipulate anything higher significant. Not gonna enter shorts off this. W fade. Back at all-time highs. Let's see if we can get like a little continuation long. Nah. Continuation long. Come on, give us reach. Holy crap. Alright, yeah, I'd be off on the day. I don't know why I'm still looking at this. Next day. No, not next section. Next day open. Alright, we ripped even more. Long until proven wrong. Side trade all-time highs. Got this on tap 4 hour. This same, and it's the same case as that one time I was saying with that CPI high. It's a high that swept and rejected a significant draw, being London high. I'm not going to really target that, but it is all-time highs. Let's just see what the 5-minute does. Clear displacement. I mean, we'll probably deliver to this internal high, but like, I mean, for me to get a 101 out of this, I need to target way past all-time high. I'm not going to take that. Would have been break even anyway. Yeah. Getting some nice displacement lower though. What was the draw lower? This untapped 4 hour gap, but we're still in this. The fact that we're at all-time highs, I don't like shorting all-time highs unless it's super duper obvious. And until we get proven wrong that we're not going to be at all-time highs, so I'm not going to short this while we're in this bullish 4 hour gap, even though this is some nice displacement. Would have been probably a break even. Maybe, I don't even know, but no trade. Still at all-time highs in this daily gap now. And we actually have previous day high as a target now. It is the high that swept here, but it has been like a day now. It's not like the day after. So now if we get longs back up to that and price has developed holy death candle a bit more, I'm open to longing. But we're just sitting in a range. No trades. Ranging, no trades. Simple as that. Next day open. All-time high PA again, long until proven wrong. 4 hour, okay, yep, longing until proven wrong. Wait, what are the draws lower? Asia low, which is nothing on the 4 hour. And it's nothing on the hourly. Yeah, all right, no draws lower. I'm just longing until proven wrong. Because we're getting such clean def candles right now. But I mean, we have this untapped 4 hour to target. It's all-time highs. I hate shorting all-time highs, man. And it's on tap 4 hour. It's not like the most obvious one. Like if this was just one huge one like this, maybe, but I'm gonna fade this. Wait, if I wanted to enter this, it would look something like this. Yeah, I'm gonna fade this. I don't want to short all-time highs. W fade. That's why you don't short. That's why you don't short all-time highs. Next day open. Hop in a 30-minute. Mark out. Open. Go right before it. 4 hour. Still at all-time highs. Clear longs to previous day high. Megan. All right. Ooh, wait. Is that a data wick I saw? Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit. Holy draws lower. Hold on. Wait. Holy draws lower. And we got some CPI wick or some crap. Data low. I'm gonna see on the 5-minute, see if we want to get some continuation long up to all-time highs, or if we want to flip back down with displacement target. All these damn draws lower. This is where I want to short all-time highs, just because we have all this low resistance liquidity stacked up with a bunch of strong draws. I'm okay with shorting if we even get them. Moving lower, but not with displacement. Went lower to these draws as expected, but not really any candles for me to be confident to take trades off, so no trades there. Next day. What day is it? 26. We're almost done. All right, how long is this video? 45 minutes. Holy crap. I don't know if this might be too long. Asia. Today is Friday, Thursday. Previous day highs all the way up there. Holy crap. Miguel. All-time highs on ES. ES is leading. Okay. Don't know which way we're going to go, so I'm waiting for open to confirm the direction. Watching ES at the same time because it's leading closer to all-time highs. This looks like a good candle long on NQ right here. Clear displacement, but nothing really to target nearby, so not going. I mean, there's this. Is this a session high? Nope. I'm not going to just target some random. Actually, wait, daily. We are near all-time highs. Nah, I'm not going to take this long. It's only 9:25. I already missed that entry though. I'm thinking, oh, we already have SMT at the break-even point. If I were to be in this trade, I'd probably have break-even, so no, I'm not going to take it. Yeah. Kind of missed out on a good trade there. Oh, I got break-even anyway. All right, whatever. Kind of skipped past that trade, which wasn't that bad, but got break-even anyway, so thankfully didn't miss out on that. Chill. 4 hour. Oh my gosh, we're ranging. I hate this type of price action when we're ranging, but what I do when we're ranging is I just mark out the strong draws, and then this low's protected, swept out previous day low and rejected it. I'm not targeting that. Hate when we're ranging, man. Same case as why I didn't target that data high. Swept out a significant level, rejected off of it. If I want to see shorts, I want to see confirmation past that area to the next draw instead of trying to catch an entry to this, because then we usually like to edge that draw. Let's see what happens. Gonna sit on the 5-minute. No trade day. What is that, bro? Next session. Nope. Next day open. skip to right before open, 4 hour. Oh shit, look at ES. ES tapped this 4 hour. Wait, we have all these draws here. This might be a generational day lock in. All right, obvious 4 hour condition being this bullish gap close to all-time highs, so we're bullish. What time is it? Oh crap, I skipped through and I missed the damn long, bro. Frick. Wait, might still catch an entry. Hold on. We just swept London. Nah. All right. This long would have been ideal to take up to all-time highs. Set a limit for 1-to-1. I would be at break even now. Yeah. Okay, break even because this is London. No, Asia high. Valid break even by the looks of it because holy diddler candle. Yep. Okay. Didn't miss out on much, thankfully. Let's see if we want to continue going higher later in the day. Nope. Ranging, no volume, no trades, simple dimple. Next day open. Holy sell-off. Hello. Okay. I'm getting burnt out from this back testing how much days are left in January. All right, last day. All right, let's try to get a banger trade for the last day of January. Dude, this daily isn't even right. Whatever, no daily, I guess. We have Asia high, but it's a dog shit draw because it's the high that rejected a strong reversal point being this 4 hour bearish gap. There's literally nothing to target that I like on the day, bro. I'm not targeting this because this is the low that set out London. Asia low, my bad. I'm gonna just watch price on the 5-minute, but I'm not taking any trades. I'd just be done. Yeah, we're selling off anyway, and there's nothing to target lower. We're in this 4 hour gap. Maybe get a flip later into the day. FOMC, from the looks of it. Let's see what FOMC does, maybe. Oh, kind of skip past that. Wouldn't get an entry anyway. Yeah, no trade day. All right. What were the analytics for this January? Because that is the last day of January. 87% win rate. It's pretty good. 7 wins, 1 loss. That's a pretty good month. Holy no trades. Towards the end. Beginning of the month was good. All right, pretty good backtesting session. 7 dubs, 1 loss. That's a pretty good month because like the way I trade oh crap. My mic. That's a really good month for me because the way I trade prop firms is I full port the accounts. So I literally secure max payouts within 2 trades or just decent sized payouts within 2 trades because I always risk full or half the drawdown. So 7 dubs in a month, that's really good with only 1 loss. That's a good month for me. W backtesting session. Hopefully not too long of a video for you guys. Freaking 51 minutes. I'll probably edit some parts out because I had to go do something mid-video, so it'll probably be a bit shorter, but 40-ish minute video. I'm ending it here because I'm already burnt out from this damn backtesting.